how to connect your Epic Games account with your Nintendo easily and fast on PC. Hello guys, so first thing, go to Epic Games. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now click on Unreal Engine and go down, click on your name and click on Manage Account. Now after you click on Manage Account, all what you have to do is so simple. Just wait a few seconds, it will take you to this page. Now click on Connections and now click on Accounts and scroll down. You will find Nintendo option and click here Connect, and you will be able to connect your Epic Games with your Nintendo account easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.